Welcome to What to Expect with our pickup and delivery services. In this guide, we'll explore the benefits and steps to ensure a hassle-free experience. What is pickup and delivery service? It's a convenient option offered by our service department and Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center that allows you to schedule your vehicle's maintenance or repairs without the need to visit in person. Instead, our team picks up the vehicle from your preferred location and then returns it to you once the appointment is completed. There are several advantages to using pickup and delivery services. Time savings. Avoid the hassle of driving here, waiting, and then driving back home or to work. Convenience. Schedule your service when it's convenient for you without disrupting your daily routine. Peace of mind. Knowing that your vehicle is in the hands of trained professionals who will contact you throughout the day with updates and any information on the inspections, repairs, or services completed. Now, let's go through the steps to use our pickup and delivery service for your next appointment. It's important to request this service at the time of booking your appointment. If scheduling your appointment online, you can make a note on your request and your service advisor will reach out to you and confirm all the details, along with a time and location for the vehicle's pickup. Provide specific details on where the keys will be located if you're not able to meet our team member. On appointment day, prepare your vehicle for pickup by removing personal belongings and leaving your keys in the designated location. We will stay in touch and provide you with updates throughout the day as needed. When complete, we will do a quality check and deliver back your vehicle at the agreed upon location. Your service advisor will be in contact with you to discuss your inspection report, services completed, and how many Ford Pass reward points were earned or redeemed. Outstanding payment can be processed over the phone. Our pickup and delivery services are available to most of Central Alberta. Take advantage of this service for your next appointment and experience the convenience yourself. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please contact our service team. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to taking great care of you.